Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about internal portion. Already we are the axial line of the electrical due to the electrical dipole. Okay, that one yesterday class we saw that. Today we are discuss about that electrical field due to an electric dipole at a point on the equatorial plane. Equatorial plane. Okay, now you see, now we are considered to the two charges. You see, I am taking to the x-axis one line, I draw it, and here I taken to the plus q charges. Then that point we are considered to the a. So next point, this point p considered to the positive charges. Okay, so the two charges in between point we are taken to the o. Okay, so now this axial lines we have to draw to the one the equatorial plane. Okay, you see this is the equatorial plane. Okay, you see this is the equatorial plane I drawing the equatorial plane. So some of the point I put, that one we are to consider the c, that point we consider the c. Okay, point C and point O we have to join, that distance we are taking to the R. Okay, now you see, now that point C, you see that positive charges you have to, what happened, if the electrical field open, it's a far away, the electrical, the positive point charges far away, right, from the point charge. Okay, suppose we have to draw to the one line. Okay, this is the electrical charge. Next one, you see the point C, the negative charges, what happened, the electrical field, what happened means the electrical will towards the charge, right? So the point C you have to draw join to the point B. Okay, so now you see one triangle is forming, correct? So next you see the electrical field, you see that electrical field here also come and here also moving, right? So now you see here the parallel lines. The point C I draw to the another one parallel line. Okay, I draw to that. So this lines we are considered to that total electrical field. So this only we have to find out the equatorial plane. Okay, this one we have to find out. Okay, this is a total electrical field where this here. Okay, so next you see, so here you see this is the two is a parallel line. So this line and this line, the parallel lines means it is creating to the theta here, the plus minus q, no, that here this triangle creating to the theta here, and here also creating to the theta. Okay, so now you see that the dipole field, how to here means, so you see the dipole field here, the negative charges here moving to the dipole field, negative to positive charges, right? So this direction is moving, right? So now you are seeing that the electrical field this side you are moving. So then that electrical dipole moving to the opposite direction. So this directions only moving to that positive dipole movements. Okay, so we are taking the opposite direction, it's moving, no? So we are taking the minus p vector. That's why we are taking, right? Now you see that formula. You see that now we have to that calculations we are doing that that the calculation doing the before itself, you seeing that I am taking to the this diagram is here separately I drawing. So you see that the point C here negative charges and positive charges, that one I am here drawing that I am taking to separately drawing. You see the axis line, so the here and here, that this is okay, the point C. Okay, so where that creating that angle means here this angle I am put here. Okay, that angle 2 theta. Okay, so now you see here it's a moving the electrical field, negative electrical field, here moving to positive electrical field. Okay, so that this is the parallel line only, no? So then theta near only coming to the electrical negative cos theta, we are taking to this side the cos theta, here you are taking to the cos theta, this another, this one near that, this one theta near that here. Okay, both are. So here you see that here the positive me, here cos theta we are taking me, here this side we are taking to that, this angle. This angle we are taking now, e to that sin theta. So this angle, next angle we are taking, this angle we are taking means this is the negative sin theta. So these both the electrical field, positive sin theta and negative sin theta is opposite direction. So this one here negligible to only. Okay. So now you see the modulus of E vector, the magnitude of the E vector positive sin theta and the magnitude of the E vector positive negative sin theta are in the opposite directions. Therefore they cancel each other. So the opposite directions I have means we have to cancel them. So now we have to find out the total electrical field we want to find out. Now you see the total electrical field. For total electrical field we want to find out means you see that minus E. So now we are taking the modulus magnitude of the E cos theta. So modulus of the E cos theta we are taking. Then a modulus of the E cos theta. This cos theta we are taking. Okay. But the magnetic dipole, it's a negative charges only. So now you see the magnetic dipole is a negative charges. So I am taking to the minus here. So that's also here minus. Okay. So minus. So next you see we want, so now the total electrical field minus magnitude of the electrical field cos theta P vector minus magnitude of electrical cos theta P vector. Okay. So now we want to find out the positive electrical field vector and positive negative of the field electric field we have to find out. So first we want to find out the both. So both is a common one, both is a same only. Okay. So now we have to take the magnitude of the electrical field equal to charge, the negative charges of electrical field equal to. So what we know that E vector values, you know, the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charges means we are taking to the Q divided by here we are using to the Pythagoras theorem. So you see that Pythagoras theorem we are taking this angle only we are taking. This triangle, okay, equilateral triangle we are taking. So this is the triangle we are taking. So that angle creating 90 means this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. So already we know that this value C2O value is here distance R. So this distance point A to O distance we are taking to the A. So this only we want to find it. The Pythagoras theorem we have to using. Okay. So now we have to cast it only. This side only cast it on. No. So now we are taking to adjacent by the hypotenuse. So now we are to hypotenuse. This value is only we have to find out. So this value, how to we are Pythagoras theorem find out? What that? So A square, A modulus of A square plus so adjacent Pythagoras hypotenuse we have to find out means what, how to we are find out A square plus R squared root. Okay, that one we are taking that one we have to writing here. This values we are taking the root of R squared plus A square. That one unga R squared value we are taking to the root of R squared plus A squared whole power of square. Okay. So now we are whole power of square means what happened? The root is a cancelled. Okay. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cube by R squared plus A squared. R squared plus A squared. This is the modulus of E positive or E negative value. Okay. Now you see this value you have to apply to this value. This value we have to modulus of E vector and modulus of E vector minus and positive, we have to find out that values. This values you have to substitute to this formula. The total electric field we have to substitute here. Okay. So now you see substitute. So 1 by minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Okay. Q that E order value we have to apply that. So E order value we have to apply 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square. That one you have to apply here. Okay. Balance what come cos theta and what the formula no cos theta. Here this one we have to substitute and balance cos theta and P vector. So that one we have to write in here. Okay. So the same like only for the modulus of negative E vectors. So 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q cos theta divided by R squared plus A squared P vector. P cap. Okay. So now that it's a both, it's a minus minus. So minus minus minus, adding means minus. So that this and the common only. So we have to add the 2. Okay, so this one you are taking the whole commonly only taking, and this both is added means 2q cos theta divided by r square plus a square, the p cap. Okay, now you see that now we want the cos theta value. So now the cos theta value, so again we are taking the Pythagoras, that one we have to taking. So cos theta value how to we are taking means, cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta value na adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value what is a. So a divided by hypotenuse, what we are find out no again before itself. So root of a square plus r square. So that one a square by r square. That one you have to substitute here. So the cos theta equivalent to a divided by root of r square plus a square. That one you have to separately, your cos theta you have to apply it. So 1 by 4 by minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught 2q by r square plus a square. Cos theta value you have to apply a by root of r square plus a square p cap. Right, the p cap. So the root we have to consider the r square plus a square divided by 1 by 2, right? R square plus a square whole power of 1 by 2. The root rearrange and change and write mean r square plus a square root of 1 by 2. So now here I am writing. So this r square plus a square power of 1 into this one root. The root I changed it under 1 by 2. The base is a common, no. So the power is you are added. So power you are added 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to, you are taking the LCM is 3 by 2. So how to you are writing that? You see that minus 2q a p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This one you have to writing r square plus a square power of 3 by 2. Okay. So now you see the 2qa, we have to write the p vector. The p cap, the both you have to writing the p vector equal to 2qa p vector, that is a dipole value. So that one we are to taking minus p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square 3 by 2. Okay, that one you have to rearrange under writing. Okay, so now you see that so a value, this a value is a very is a lesser than value. So we want a negligible, that one we have to removing that is a value. So a value removing means what happen, r squared root of 3 by 2. So in the square is a cancelled. So we have to take on to the r cube. Okay, now the total values minus q, we have to substitute here. So minus p vector equal divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. So r is very longer than a. Okay, are you understood? This is the equatorial lines plane. Okay, next you see the torque. Next you see the torque experiment by on electric dipole in the uniform electric field. Now you see that the 4 electrical field uniformly, the 4 electrical field it's going on. Okay, so the 7 lines I am drawing that. So next you see that last line in between that you have to the point q I consider to the point A, I am considered to the point B, this one. Okay, so this is here the negative charges, this is here the positive charges. So the magnetic field, electrical field you see going this side. Okay, going this side. Here that electric field is going to this side. Okay, so I join to the A to B I joined. It's a midpoint to O. Okay, this is a midpoint O. So B to C distance A to C O, B to O distance A to O distance A. So totally it's A to B distance to A. Okay, so now you see that now we have to draw to the line. So here and here I am draw to that one line, here and draw to the one line. So now I am create to that. Now it's creating that one angle. Okay, the angle it's creating. Okay, so that angle here it's creating the 90 degrees angles. Okay, so this angle is a 90 degree angle. This is a hypotenuse. This is a opposite. This is a adjacent. Okay, so 90 degree angle opposite what? Hypotenuse. So this is a adjacent. This is a opposite angles. Okay, so now we want to find out the sin theta. How do we are find out the opposite value we want to find out? So opposite value find out means we taking to the sin theta. So sin theta equal to opposite divided by 2a. So 2a means it's a hypotenuse sort of value. This value we are added totally we are a to b. It's a 2a. So that is a hypotenuse value we are taking to a. So now we are cross multiply. We are doing to the cross multiply. What happened? 2a sin theta equal to opposite. So opposite value what we are writing? 2a sin theta. The opposite value, this value, opposite value is a 2a sin theta. Okay, now that now we have to the total electrical field, total force, it's a 0. So total force is a 0 means how to we are taking the q E vector minus Q E vector. So this is a cancelled. So we have to take in this 0. So net force it says 0 only. Since the electrical field is uniform. So the uniform field electrical field is a total electrical field force. That is a force is a 0 only. That is force is a 0 only. Okay. So now the force act at the two different point A and B. So now the force is acting. So at point A la force acting and point B also the force is acting. So export the torque. So now here the creating the torque. The torque value we have to find out. So torque value how to find out? You see that OA vector. So what the electrical field? Minus QE vector plus OB vector. So here also the torque act on that B. Okay, so OB into QE, the positive electrical field. Okay, now we are taking. So now we want the magnitude field we have to calculate. How to that torque, the magnitude of the torque we have to find out. How do we are find it? Now you see that this formula we are taking that here, this formula. You see A cross B, A vector cross B vector. A modulus of vector, modulus of B vector, sin theta, n cap we have to taking. Now we are to the magnitude only we have to find out. No? The n cap it's a moving. It's a both is a modulus of A vector, B vector cross B vector equal to modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector and sin theta. This pattern you are to taking here. This value you are taking here. So modulus of A vector, modulus of minus QE vector and sin theta. That's the same like only also we have to return here. Right. So now you see, now we are taking this is a, this is a B. So now this is a what I am taking to the small a. That point it's a small a only, no, that one you are taking. The Q it's a QE sin theta. So QE and sin theta plus the same like only. So here that minus Q it's a negligible only. Okay, wow. So here minus only, no, so that minus we want take. But it is a value is small only, we have to removing magnitude only, we have to find out only. So we have to negligible to the minus sign. Okay, so now that same like only here come. So both is a equal, you are added to A Q E sin theta. Okay, so now you see that torque, we have to find out the torque value. What is that? The magnitude of the torque we have to find out 2A E sin theta. Separately we have to write. So this pattern you see that this is right. This is only. So B vector, modulus of B vector, modulus of A vector and sin theta. That one. So that how to we are write modulus of A vector plus B vector. So that one you have to write into. This is what? QP vector. So already we know the dipole moments. Okay, here the dipole moment having the dipole it's moving to here. So we have to this value we have to take on to the dipole moment into the electrical field. Okay, so now that we have to this pattern only having. So this we have to writing the PE sin vector. Okay, so the tau is a maximum. So tau is a maximum. So the theta value is 90 degree. Tau is a maximum. You see that tau is a maximum. How to we are telling means the torque force is acting on here. So what happen? It's a moving. It's a rotating. It's a what happens? It's a rotating means what happen? This side. It's a magnetic field. It's a creating. So along the axis line, it's a equator line. Now in the phase line, it's a joined. Okay, so that's one. The 90 degree value 90 sin 90 what? 1 sin 90 value 1. So appa torque equal to P vector PE only coming to the PE only. Now, wait. Okay, now. So now, this the torque, you see, this torque tend to the align the dipole with E vector. So, theta equal to 0 means the totally torque value also 0. So, sin theta value out to 0 apply means sin 0 equal to 0. Okay. So, totally this value also 0. Torque value, the total net torque value is 0. Okay. So, now next one you see that next one you see that this is a non-uniform electrical field. So it is a it's a non-electrical field. So non-electrical field, the same like the minus q charges plus q charges A and B. The midpoint it's a O. It's a electrical field going this side. Electric field, the positive electric field going this side. It has the net force and net torque. So it is not a 0. So non-uniform electrical field, it is not a total net charge. So net charge is not a 0. Are you understood, ma? Okay. Thank you, children.